For months, we've waited to see what TLC would do about its hit show 19 Kids and Counting. And it is now officially canceled. Hey everybody, it's Keri with Buzz 60. After child molestation charges against Josh Duggar were revealed, TLC has decided that the show will not go on. In the months following this shocking revelation, Josh Duggar apologized for his actions as a young teen, and TLC stopped airing reruns of the show, but the network remained silent about the show's future. Now TLC has decided to give the show the official axe, saying, quote, "After thoughtful consideration, TLC and the Duggar family have decided not to move forward with 19 Kids and Counting." The network also announced a campaign with two prominent child protection organizations in the form of a commercial-free documentary to raise awareness about victims of child sexual abuse, featuring Jessa and Jill Duggar. It may not be the end of all the Duggars, though. There are rumors Jill and Jessa are in talks with the network about a spin-off show. Then again, maybe the cancellation should be taken as a hint that some time out of the spotlight could be a good thing. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.